Okay, let us start our today's lecture. In this lecture, in next 20 minutes, we are going to cover Python function with 30 plus examples. How many examples? At least 30 plus example. We will see execute. We'll execute the code. Okay. So what I have used ChatGPT here. I will not waste our time. So let us see some user-defined functions, system-defined function in Python. First function is print. Okay. First function name is print. I have functions now. Print. So print hello world. What happened when I run the code? काय होतं सांगा? It's very simple. Okay. If I run the code, I get the output as hello world. So what is this? This print is the function name. Print is the function name which accept the string as input. Okay. So if I type here multiple times, if I save it, I run it, what happened? Hello world. Okay, this is one function in Python. Let us cover the another example. Okay. What is another example? Can you tell me what is the another example? Do you remember any function that is mathematically used? Yes. दूसरे कोणते example सांगा मला. Any other example, mathematical example? Tell me. Length. Okay. So here what I do, I just Control A, Control V, Control S. Okay. And I just save it. Okay. Length.py. Run it. What happened now? How many numbers are there? 5 numbers. This is the list in Python. How many numbers are there in the list? 5. So what if I write like this? Ka will sanga mala. If I write like this, Control C, Control V, my list equal to hello Dr. Balaji, Shetty. I save it, run it. What happened? Now data type change from list to string. I get the length of the string as 22. So like that you can input the list as string, input the list as tuple, input the list as domain, any data structure you get the output. Clear? Okay, great. Let us cover the next example. Okay. I'm losing the track here. Okay, here. Type is another function in Python. See, my string equal to hello, type my string. What is the output here? Output ka class string. Class string. I just resize the window so that you can see in more better way. So I'm not executing the code now. Already code is given here. If I run the code, my string equal to hello, print type my string. So it will return class as string. Okay. If suppose my string equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is number. What I get? Number. Clear? So next example. Sum. Now sum is the function in Python. Let us run the code. This is example, good example. So I write it Control V, Alt F, save as. Okay. Sum.py. I run the code. Now what happened here? I got the sum of all the number in the list. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 15. Suppose I make it 50, save it, run it, 60. So what is this? This sum is the function in Python which return the sum of all the number in the array. Clear? Great. Let us go to next example. Okay. Sorted. Now here list is not sorted. List is unsorted. When you run the code, you get the output as sorted list. If you see the output here, how is the output? Output is sorted. Can you see the output? Let us run the code. Okay. Control V, Alt F, save as. Okay. Sort. Run the code. 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. See the list is here. The list is 3, 1 is unsorted. Now the list is sorted. Can you see the output here? 113,459. I make the changes here, suppose 2. What will happen? Tell me, come on. I get a list sorted. So this sorted is the function in Python. Clear? Eh? Great. Let us go to the next example. Okay, these are the example. Here I have